Repent, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand. This is my beloved Son. I need to be baptized by you, and do you come to me? Let it be so now. It is proper for us to fulfill all righteousness. I baptize you in the name of the Father, This is my beloved Son, with whom I am well pleased.